Hello, welcome to the video. So today I'm attending a hackathon. It's a Google Cloud Hackathon organized by ALX. This is actually my first vlog, so enjoy the video.
Oh, me? It's my turn. It's my turn. Okay. Okay. Hi guys. We're in Google Programs Hackathon, and we've been planning to. Here we came up with the idea, and we were planning to make a Duolingo type application with AI that focuses on most of the major languages in Ethiopia, so like Amharic, Tigrinya, Oromo, so to scope it up a bit. And
so basically the idea had something like up Duolingo, so we call it Learn Ethiopia, and it's the concept is all about learning the language of Ethiopia, like Tigrinya, Orominya, and Amharic, obviously. So the concept idea concept idea.
Hi guys, what's up? So what we're building is like it's Duolingo for Ethiopia. This guy came up with the idea. So we have like three languages: Amharic, Oromic, and Tigrinya. Yeah.
so we're starting with the solution architect. Yeah. So the architecture. So I guess we'll be going from there.
Alright, so we just finished the planning phase. We're kind of like trying to jump into the coding phase and like build the project. It took us a bit of time, like planning the project idea and stuff like that, but I think we got this. I think. As you guys can see, everyone's locked in. Nagga, what you doing? Its name's Nagga. Yeah, Nagga. No, it's another thing.
Actually, we're making the front end using
Google.
So we got 3 hours left. We're making the front end, but this time we're using AI agent like Google AI Studio. I suggest you have to use that. Then I think our progress is good. Thank you.
What about?
Well, currently I'm trying to estimate the budget of the Google Cloud. So currently we cannot use instances, so we cannot deploy our own server. So that's not an option. But we can at least store our data. So we can use cloud storage, since that is practically zero cost, like literally zero cost. Look, so.
Lunch is here. It's currently 12:10 p.m. So we got like 2 hours left, and our lunch is here. Let's see what it is. Hi guys, so we decided to do a challenge. It's rock, paper, scissors, and the loser has to like work for 10 minutes without sitting, just standing. I think that's what do you think?
10 minutes is a bit too small. We could do it 30.
30?
30.
No, that's... Oh my god. 30 minutes? That's a lot. Okay, let's 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Okay.
Right. So it's best of three. First to three. Yep. Rock, paper, scissors. No. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 0. Rock, paper, scissors. 2, 0. Rock, paper, scissors. No!
My win.
This sucks. So now I have to like work.
3-0.
You don't have to do that.
I have to be part of the game.
Yeah.
Part of the game.
So I can sit now.
No, you can't.
So I have to stand for 20 minutes straight and work. That sucks.
This is a good thing you negotiated.
Yeah.
It was a good thing.
I was not gonna do 30 minutes. Right. Oh gosh. So it's been 50 minutes. 1-5. So I can't keep standing. I have to sit down. What? Yeah. This is weird. It's Tiaraga.